Hello! So today we're going to be doing an open cup pour. There is someone very special in my life, and this is going to be a gift for her. And I can't really say too much about it in case she watches this video, but I bet you she'll figure it out. So why don't we go ahead and get started? Do you think there's enough bubbles in there? I just made it. That's what it looks like when you just make your paint and you don't let it rest. So let's get started. Okay, so now I'm going to add a puddle in the middle. Good size puddle in the middle. There we go. Just for good measure. Okay. Colors today. Metallic silver. Now I am using a Chroma color. It's a metallic acrylic. It's Regale blue. So that's the main color. And I've added black to the color. I've added it to white for a very light blue. And then I have the Regale blue itself. So I'm going to start with the silver. I did put some silicone in my silver, but no other colors have it. Now I'm going to speed it up for you. Oh my gosh, I think this one might be the one. We'll see. Let's get this all in the middle. Okay. Everybody cross your fingers. Cross your toes. Here we go. Little spin. Yay! There it is! I'm so happy. I finally got my flower! I know, it's so stupid! I wasted a lot of paint to get that flower! Oh my goodness, what we have to go through! Let's torch. Having problems with my torch again. I don't know what's happening. See, now I will butane it. It sounds full. Doesn't sound like anything's going in. And there is my flower. I am very happy. I got my flower. And I appreciate you watching.